You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
All right, folks, you are looking at the Will Prep pizza oven sitting on top of my Harbor Freight table saw, which still has like sawdust and stuff all over it, but it is not on the pizza oven itself. Pizza oven is just sitting on there. We got the dials at max capacity, turned up all the way up to 660 degrees. This is the pizza, the best pizza you probably have never had, because I've never seen this topping on a pizza from a pizza shop ever in my life. Are you ready for it? All here on a glorious day here in the Great Lakes state called Michigan. Okay, here we go. Open up the Will Prep. Let's slide this one in. It's hard to do this and record. I don't like the fact that I did that, but I'm a one-man show. Kind of hard to do things. Oh, partially cleaned up. Let's take a look there. That is some hot pizza already. There's the red F-150. May not be mine for long. Look at that thing in there, looking good. That oven is screaming hot. Probably, let's see what kind of temp we're at probably right now. Of course, the bottom one's gonna be a little colder than the top one. Oh yeah, screaming hot. Got the little steam coming out of the corner. That's a good sign. Oh yeah. See if I can clean this up a little bit. Not bad. Shall I give it a spin? So what is the best pizza you never had? This is going to be the pepperoni and zucchini squash pizza. Now, I may be wrong. You may have had this, but who the heck goes to a pizza shop and orders pepperoni zucchini? But I guarantee this one's going to be good. All right, let's take a look. And the top is okay with me. I just want to see the bottom. Yeah, very good. Looking great. I think the little lady will be very pleased with me. I think. Do you think I'll get $10,000 for this truck? It's 22 years old. It's even got Bilstein shocks. She done. I guarantee you she's done. Oh my goodness, look at that baby. That looks amazing. Detmers never makes perfectly round pizzas, but I can make some good ones. The zucchini is smothered by that pepperoni. You can see it right there. Oh yeah, gonna be good. Okay, back into the Queen's Castle it goes on the cooling rack. Look at that. Look at that. Whew. Folks, be very mindful. If you watch a video on YouTube or Rumble, even Odysee, of someone making pizza from scratch, it is a hard thing to record while you're making. Trust me, I know firsthand. Let's take a look at this zucchini pepperoni pizza with mozzarella. Oh, let me tell you something else about it. It has 76% hydration dough. The dough is, or the flour is, of course, from Meyer, the pizza flour, whatever that is. And let's take a look underneath. Oh yeah, Leopard City, looking good. Hope the little lady likes that zucchini. She probably won't do it on camera, but I surely will. So let's cut up this pizza. The zucchini pepperoni. Just lost the pepperoni. Oh, there it is. My best pizza cutter right here. The little lady is who suggested the zucchini pepperoni. I'm very excited about this. Right now a little floppy, still a little hot. So I excuse myself for that. Bottom. This looks like a champion of pizzas. You know, that flop. It's from the zucchini though. Plus it's hot. All right, here we go. Did I mention that it's hot? Let's give it the fold. Pretty good. Zucchini is very subtle, but the pizza is great. Now I did put a little Italian seasoning on there, but I didn't put any cheddar cheese or anything like that, also known as Parmesan. I hope you enjoyed watching here on the Polly Detmers channel, the best pizza you never had. Or I should call it the best pizza you've never ordered.